Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. All of us crave for KFC crispy fried chicken. So I was just thinking, why not try KFC style paneer sticks? So let's get started and check out the ingredients. First, let's marinate the paneer. Today I've taken 200 grams of paneer for this recipe. Let's chop them into sticks and keep them ready. In a bowl, add 2 cups of buttermilk, add a teaspoon of salt to it, then add a teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, give it a nice mix and drop in the paneer sticks. Make sure the paneer sticks are dipped well in the buttermilk. Wrap the bowl with a cling wrap and refrigerate for 6 hours. If possible, leave it overnight. The paneer sticks are soaking overnight. Let's unwrap the cling wrap and keep aside. In another bowl, add 4 tablespoons of maida, 2 tablespoons of corn flour, a tablespoon of red chili powder, a tablespoon of coriander powder, half teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of Italian herbs. Mix all together well. Now take a paneer stick from the buttermilk mixture and coat it well with the flour mixture and keep it in a tray. Make sure the flour is well coated. Repeat for all the paneer sticks. Now let's repeat the same process. Take 1 coated paneer stick and give it a quick dip in the buttermilk and again coat it with the flour mixture and keep ready to fry. Repeat for all the paneer sticks. Now all our paneer sticks are well coated and ready to get fried. Heat sufficient oil in a pan. When the oil is hot and ready, drop the paneer sticks one by one. Fry the paneer sticks at medium flame until it turns golden brown. Once done, remove from the oil and serve it hot with some ketchup. Heat a pan, into this add 1 tablespoon of oil. When the oil is hot, add 1/4 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 100 grams of shallots chopped and 3 green chilies. Saute until the shallots are transparent. to this add 1 tomato chopped. Give all the ingredients a good mix. Then to this add 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1/2 teaspoon of chili powder, 1/2 teaspoon of coriander powder and 1/4 teaspoon of cumin powder. Mix all the spices well. Then to this add 1/4 cup of water and mix it well. Allow it to come to a boil. Now to this add 100 grams of paneer cut into small cubes. Give it a gentle mix and make sure the masala is well spread. Let this cook for 2 minutes in medium flame. It's been 2 minutes now and the paneer is well done. So add 1/4 teaspoon of pepper powder and mix it well. Now our delicious spicy paneer masala fry is ready. Serve it hot with some rotis and enjoy with your family and friends. Very delicious, easy and an instant recipe. So do try this spicy paneer masala fry recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video, so please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.